Hello, blissful souls. I hope you express gratitude for water throughout the day before drinking it. But the water in our glass is just one aspect of it. It is used in so many other ways, right from the time when we start our day. It is because of water only that we are able to take bath. It is used for cooking, it is used for washing utensils, it is used in farming. So it's because of rain and water only that we get our fruits and vegetables. So we are really very blessed to have fresh water access. So let's express gratitude for all those companies that deliver water to us. All those companies because of which it has become so easily accessible. Thank you for the taps in our house. Thank you so much for the pipes. Thank you so much for all the facilities that make it possible to get water just by opening a tap. Thank you so much, universe, for the availability of fresh water anytime. Thank you so much for the water filtering facility. Thank you so much for the RO. Thank you so much, universe. This water blesses me every single day, and I'm really blessed to have